Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a WhatsApp channel on your WhatsApp account. WhatsApp channel is a new feature, is a new update on WhatsApp which everyone can actually use. So guys, want to know how to create WhatsApp channel? Make sure you follow me to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step that you have to take is to make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. Make sure you're using the updated version of WhatsApp. So guys, for you to actually update your WhatsApp, what you have to do is to go over to your Play Store in case you're using an Android phone, or you go over to your App Store in case you're using an iPhone. So guys, let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android phone. Then let me search for WhatsApp Messenger. So guys, let me tap on the search bar there. Then let me search for WhatsApp. Then let me tap on the second option. You can see it there. So guys, can see this is the WhatsApp Messenger. As you can see, mine is updated. What you have to do is to go ahead to update yours. If your own WhatsApp is not updated, you're going to see where it is written update there. That place that you can see open is going to be replaced with update. So what you have to do is to tap on where you see updates when you go over to your Play Store or you go over to your App Store. So guys, once you successfully update your WhatsApp Messenger, what you have to do is to open your WhatsApp. So let me open my WhatsApp right away. So guys, as you can see now, I'm on my WhatsApp. So guys, before I show you guys how you can actually create a WhatsApp channel, let me show you guys how you can actually find WhatsApp channels. So guys, for you to do that, what you have to do is to tap on where you see update. You can see where it is written updates. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. Normally it used to be status, but now it has been replaced with update. So you can tap on update. So let me tap on update. So guys, now you can see under the update section, you can find WhatsApp status and also WhatsApp channels. You can see at the top where it is written status. This is where you're going to see all the WhatsApp status of all your WhatsApp contacts. So guys, can see, let me keep scrolling. You can see these are all the WhatsApp status of your WhatsApp contacts. So guys, now for you to actually find WhatsApp channels, what you have to do is to scroll down to the bottom of this update section. Let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see I've scrolled down. So guys, now you can see. So guys, can see what is written there. Find channels. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, this is where you're going to find all the channels that you can actually follow. You can see there are so many channels here that you can follow. So guys, for you to actually see all the channels that you can actually follow, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written see, or you can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see all the channels here. You can see WhatsApp channels. There are so many of them. They are actually numerous. So guys, to make this finding of WhatsApp channels interesting, you can actually narrow your search. So guys, can see there at the top, you can see where it is moving. We are moving from right to left. So guys, now if you want to follow the most active WhatsApp channel, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written most active. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the most active WhatsApp channels. You can see them here. They are actually numerous. And now if you want the most popular WhatsApp channel, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written popular. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are the most popular WhatsApp channels that we have. You can see them. So guys, can now see these are the popular WhatsApp channels that we have on WhatsApp. So guys, can see what you have to do is to keep following if you want to follow. So guys, now if you want to know the new WhatsApp channels that we have on WhatsApp, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written new. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are the new WhatsApp channels. So guys, now let me scroll to the end of this section. So guys, now you can see where it is written Nigeria. You can actually change your country. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are countries that you can actually change to. So if you want WhatsApp channels from Belgium, all you have to do is to choose Belgium country. If you want WhatsApp channel from Brazil, what you have to do is to choose Brazil. So let me tap on Brazil. So guys, now you can see these are the WhatsApp channels in Brazil. There are so many of them. So guys, let me change it back to Nigeria. Nigeria is my country. Let me search for Nigeria right away. So guys, now you can see it's back to Nigeria. So guys, now for you to actually follow a WhatsApp channel, what you have to do is to tap on the plus icon. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Once you tap on it now, you're going to follow the WhatsApp channel. So let me tap on that first option there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has been marked good, showing that I've actually followed that WhatsApp channel. So guys, let me follow the second one, which is Cute Abiola. Let me tap on the plus icon. Then let me follow Untouchable Comedies. You can see it there. Let me tap on the plus icon. So guys, this is how you can actually follow WhatsApp channel in your WhatsApp account. So guys, in case you want to engage with any of the WhatsApp channels, what you have to do is to tap on the WhatsApp channel that you followed. Let me tap on this one. I followed this one. You can see Post Nigeria. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are all the posts that Post Nigeria has posted. You can see you can actually engage with any of them. You can actually like them. You can love them. You can share them. So guys, this is how it's actually done. So guys, now if you actually want to turn notification on for this WhatsApp channel, what you have to do is to tap on the icon there. You can see the notification icon there. Once you tap on it, you will always receive notification for this WhatsApp channel. So guys, let me dive into the main purpose of this video, which is actually how to create a WhatsApp channel. So guys, let me go back now. Let me go over to the update section. So guys, now you can see we're on the update section. For you to actually create a WhatsApp channel, what you have to do is to tap on the plus icon there. You can see it there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Once you tap on it, you're going to see two options: find channel and create channel. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step to take is to tap on the first option, which is create channel. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see what is written down there: create a channel to reach unlimited followers. So guys, let me zoom in a little bit so you're going to see it clearly. So guys, let me go ahead now to read out these informations here. You can see you have 3 of them. Let me go over to the first one. Anyone can discover your channel. Channels are public, so anyone can find them and see 30 days of history. Let me go over to the second one. People see your channel, not you. Your phone number, profile picture and name aren't shown to your followers. That means your followers are not going to be seeing your phone number, they're not going to be seeing your name, they're just going to be seeing your channel and seeing your posts. So guys, let me read the third info. You're responsible for your channel. Your channel needs to follow our guidelines and is reviewed against them. So guys, you have to make sure you're following the guidelines of this WhatsApp channel. So guys, it's very important you know the guidelines of WhatsApp channel, because if you actually violate it, you're going to be having a problem with your WhatsApp channel. So guys, if you want to know more about this WhatsApp channel guidelines, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written guidelines. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see there are so many informations here that you need to read. So if you have the time, what you have to do is to go ahead to read it. So guys, now once you're done with reading all of this, what you have to do now is to go back. Then when you go back, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written continue. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can see the continue there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now right here, what you have to do now is to input your WhatsApp channel name. You can see what is written there, channel name. What you have to do now is to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to input your WhatsApp channel name. So let me tap on it. So guys, let me go ahead now to input a random name, King Leo. Let me correct it. So guys, after you're done inputting your name, the next step to take now is to input your WhatsApp channel description. You can see it there. Let me copy and paste it right away. So guys, after you're done pasting it, then you tap on where it is written create channel. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Wow guys, you can now see we now have our WhatsApp channel. So guys, now you can see you can actually forward this to your WhatsApp channel now to different persons on WhatsApp. You can forward it to your WhatsApp contact. You can also tap on the share icon there. You can see it there to copy it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see you can now copy it. So guys, you can see I've copied it. So guys, you can go ahead to share this link you've copied to various persons on WhatsApp, or you can share it on various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and the rest of it. So guys, you can as well edit your name and your description. You can see it there. Once you're done, you tap on save changes below. So guys, can also invite people via this link and see where it is written invite via link. You can also tap on copy to copy the link of your WhatsApp channel, or you can decide to tap on where it is written send via WhatsApp. Once you tap on it now, it's going to direct you to your WhatsApp. Then you can be able to share it to your WhatsApp contact. So guys, this is how you can actually do it, and I believe you've got value from this. So guys, I've been able to show you guys how you can actually create WhatsApp channel, how you can actually find and follow WhatsApp channels, and how you can actually use WhatsApp channels. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.